kids. Let's have fun with the letters and sounds.
Okay, let's begin.
Can you name this object?
Carrot.
Let's pick the first letter.
C.
That's right. Can you name this insect?
And
This word starts with the letter.
A.
Perfect. This is a.
Rocket.
Let's pick the first letter.
R.
That's awesome.
Yay!
C, A, and R makes.
Car.
Brilliant. Can you name this object?
Pumpkin.
Let's take the first letter.
P.
Brilliant. Can you name this animal?
Octopus.
This word starts with the letter.
O.
That's right. This is a.
Turtle.
This word starts with the letter.
T.
Perfect.
Yay!
P, O, and T makes pot.
Pot.
Can you name this insect?
B.
This word starts with the letter.
B.
That's awesome. Can you name this insect?
And
Let's take the first letter.
A.
Here you go. Can you name this bird?
Turkey.
Let's pick the first letter.
T.
Brilliant.
Wow!
B, A, and T makes.
Bat.
This is a.
Jellyfish.
This word starts with the letter.
J.
That's right. Can you name this animal?
Elephant.
Let's pick the first letter.
E.
That's awesome. Can you name this object?
Tooth.
Let's take the first letter.
T.
Brilliant.
Yay!
J, E, and T makes jet.
Jet.
This is a.
Star.
Let's take the first letter.
S.
That's awesome. Can you name this object?
Umbrella.
Let's pick the first letter.
U.
That's right. This is a
Nail.
This word starts with the letter.
N.
Here you go.
Wow.
S, U and N makes sun.
Sun.
Can you name this object?
Rainbow.
Let's take the first letter.
R.
That's right. Can you name this animal?
Elephant.
Let's pick the first letter.
E.
That's awesome. Can you name this animal?
Dog.
This word starts with the letter.
D.
Brilliant.
Red.
R, E and D makes color red. Hope you liked it.
I love